So there is Lena. And there is Shmele. And we are off to Chiang Rai for the weekend. There's the boot with all our stuff. And Lena's waving. Bye. Bit of wrestling on the way. Looking extremely happy there. First port of call is going to the border, as I need to renew my passport. Just catching up on Dreaming Spanish, as you do, as you don't want to be forgetting your comprehensible input, do you? And here we have some donkeys, although they are quite hard to spot. And here's Shmele as we arrive at the dog shelter. Everything's going okay. There's some other dogs. Shmele looking pretty happy, not too fussed. As we say goodbye. Quick little wave. And Lena looking a little bit upset. But she's trying to smile, trying to smile. Can she smile? Yeah, just about. And we have around 4 hours to the border as I top up my comprehensible input. So we're just driving now. Nice long road. As I say, about 4 hours to the border. Lena's driving all the way. She's looking very happy about it. So am I. And we have arrived at the border. I'm taking a little bag just in case I don't get allowed back in. But I'm allowed back in. I'm back into Thailand. And this is the morning. Our free breakfast with the hotel. We didn't film anything at night because we forgot. Just having a quick wave. And we are off for our first sightseeing trip, which is to the White Temple. Here's the White Temple as we park the car. Creeping into view, there it is. And there's me. About to show off the White Temple here. There we go. Welcome to the White Temple, I say. Here's my new friend. Think he's some superhero character. Not quite sure. And the White Temple was also a art gallery. So this is the no smoking tree. And this is the drinking or no drinking tree. And it's got these weird heads dangling from the tree. And obviously the predator is on the floor because why not? Why not? More dangling heads on the smoking tree. And there's our tickets for the White Temple. 200 baht, I think they cost in total, which is about £5. And did you notice the fake man sitting at front? That is the designer of the temple. So here we're just in an art gallery. And here we are at the most elaborate toilets I have ever seen. Lena goes to the toilet, doing a little jig. We're not going to follow her in though, so that's a bonus. And here we just have a nice shot of me And the toilets.
Some pretty amazing toilets.
Getting into shot, nearly straightened up. And this was a weird one with lots of superhero heads. Not quite sure what they represent in this place, but they were quite cool. This one's a pirate skull, and I'm not quite sure what these people were. Arnold Schwarzenegger from the Terminator, of course. And here we get a nice view of the White Temple, sorry. Here's me flipping a coin down into the wishing well, wishing for £1 million, like I have always done. And there we go, I've just wished myself £1 million. That should be arriving pretty soon. This is another temple. And another one, I believe. Nice shot of me walking towards it. Welcome you. Come on everyone, come in. Let's see the Golden Temple. As I walk over the bridge, under the arches.
Golden Gate Bridge.
As Lena says, we're walking over the Golden Gate Bridge. She's not wrong. This is inside. And here we are at a different spot. Once again showing the art direction of this place, where we're at some cave. And there was an alien somewhere.
Daryl, you gotta do it.
What? Do the bell? Hang on, am I now?
We're now
Yes.
ringing the bell. I'm a little bit nervous that I did it too loud. Nice waterfall here. And there's me on a swing. That's not me, that's some little big alien dude. I'm just appreciating the image, the statue. And here we are in a cave. You had to pay a little bit extra for this cave. And here we go. Some lights, some candles or candle looking things. Lots of heads as well, as you can see in the background there. Pretty strange place. There's another head, and there's death. More heads, and there's coronavirus.
Honestly, I think whoever is in charge of this cave just hears stuff and goes, yeah, we'll stick it in the cave.
Yes.
I'm just mentioning there that he will put anything in the cave, it looks like. More heads. There's some fish or a shark. Sloth on the tree, if you could see that. And it's got like some ambient woo music going on. And we're reaching the end of the tunnel where everything's a bit clearer. We mentioned that it's enlightenment. We've left all the junk and material possessions behind. We've left it in the cave, and now we're a little bit clearer in this little cave. And here I am, nice little cub, nice little bear cub, as we joke about liking and subscribing. But don't forget to like and subscribe, yeah! And there's us in the gift shop. This is a photograph, something I bought. There's some fish in the lake. And we're now entering the White Temple, which is quite busy, as you can imagine. So lots of hands at the beginning, representing the desires that we have in our life. And as we cross the bridge, I believe that is us trying to escape or be free from those desires. Beautiful, beautiful temple. As you can see, very sparkly, very white. And yeah, just a pretty stunning place to see.